Leisure historically meant freedom for creative and intellectual activities. It was time for deep reflection, reading, or even conversations about the universe. Basquiat says that art is how we decorate space and music is how we decorate time. So how do you decorate time? How do you relax, replenish, and re-energize for the day? In order to get inspired, I tend to believe we need empty space, free of work in its traditional sense, to be idle and live, to idly live, to meditate, take long walks in the forest, revel in the sun's light, or watch birds take flight. As the Italian saying goes, dolce far niente, which means the sweetness of doing nothing. It's always the simple and small things that we tend to overlook as we go about decorating our time to an inch of its life. So when it comes to idle time, we look through the distorted reality on our phones into other people's lives. Whether you're going for a night out, or having the best meal in Italy, or posing on holiday at a windy beach. It's all fun and games till we realize 2 hours have passed by watching somebody else live. But the night is still young and the day is not over yet. Dusk brings a stillness, reminiscent of the dawn. An opportunity to wind back the clock and ignite our other senses, pulling the weight of sight for a little bit. Otherwise, how else will we see the starry night? You can join us for a perfect idle day at a Himalayan cabin.